വെൽക്കം ടു ഫോർവേഡ് സ്റ്റെപ്സ് വ്ലോഗ്സ്. കേരള പബ്ലിക് സർവീസ് കമ്മീഷൻ നടത്തുന്ന ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് ടെസ്റ്റിന്റെ സിലബസുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട കേരള ഫിനാൻഷ്യൽ കോഡ് ആൻഡ് കേരള ബഡ്ജറ്റ് മാനുവലിന്റെ മുൻകാല ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളാണ് ഈ ഭാഗത്ത് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ ഭാഗം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപകാരപ്രദമാണെങ്കിൽ തുടർന്നുള്ള ഭാഗങ്ങൾ ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനായി ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്യുക. ഏവർക്കും വിജയാശംസകൾ.
The formal acceptance by an administrative department of a proposal that should incur a specified amount of expenditure on a specified work required by or in connection with that administrative department is called dash in KFC. Answer A. Administrative approval. The Chief Controlling Officer, maintaining accounts, shall furnish a certificate of reconciliation to the government dash in a financial year. Answer B. Twice. Any kind of undertaking, written or verbal, expressed or implied by a person or a firm to construct, to supply or to perform any service. Answer C. Contract. Demand statement of rents due from government servants in respect of government buildings used as residences are prepared in Form 1B in triplicate by dash. Answer D. None of the above. The abandonment of claims of revenue arising from taxation laws, service rendered, land revenue, etc., without exhausting all revenues of recovery is called. Answer A. Remission of revenue. General or special sanction order of a competent authority and sufficient fund provision are the two requisites for expenditure from public funds as per Article Dash of Kerala Financial Code 1. Answer B. 40A. Claims of medical reimbursement become due for payment on the date of completion of treatment as shown in the dash certificate issued by authorized medical attendant. Answer C. Essentiality. Under the head Due date of a claim, what is the period of limitation prescribed for arrear claim of gratuity from the date when the claim fell due for payment in KFC 1? Answer D. 6 years. The Accountant General is not entitled to have inspection of certain documents certified as. Answer C. Both 1 and 2. Objection slips or audit notes received from audit office should be replied to within dash from the date of receipt of objection. Answer A. Fortnight. When a person is appointed substantially to a post in an establishment over and above its sanctioned strength without increasing it, the officer is called. Answer B. Supernumerary. The list of departments relating to drawal of salary on the first working day of a month is shown in Part A of Schedule, Chapter 4 of Kerala Financial Code 1. Find the one as serial number 18. Answer A. Municipalities. The drawing officer will draw the increment of non-gazetted officials as and when they fall due after making a note in red ink in the. Answer D. Pay bill. Report of transfer of charge in Form 7 of Kerala Financial Code is normally signed first by dash officer. Answer A. Relieved. Death of a government employee occurred at 9 a.m. on a particular day. Under which article of KFC 1 will we get clarification as to the eligibility of his pay and allowance for that day? Answer B. 83A. Among the following, which allowance to government employees has been declared by the government to be exempt from attachment by order of a court? Answer D. All the above. Interest charged on entire amount of temporary advance paid to a government servant for the purpose of meeting contingent expenditure when adjustment bill not submitted in time. Answer C. 18%. Government servants in charge of purchase should estimate the yearly requirements and prepare the annual indent of dash in Form 13, Kerala Financial Code. Answer A. Stores. What is the period specified for firmness while inviting tenders for all ordinary items of stores during which the tenderers are to keep their rates firm? Answer B. 2 months. What procedure is followed for the store purchase of small orders of articles having proprietary character and where competition is not expected to be advantageous? Answer C. Single tender. What is the rate of earnest money deposit or security deposit required to be remitted for supply from government institution or public sector industries and state government departments? Answer D. None of the above. In store purchase after fulfillment of contract and payment, the security deposit should be refunded to the contractor within a period of dash months of expiration of contract. Answer B. 3. Period of rate contract originally concluded with the firm can be extended against the security deposit made earlier by signing a supplemental agreement in the standard form given in dash of Kerala Financial Code 1. Answer A. Annexure 12. As a rule, all original electrical works connected with government buildings will be executed by the Answer C. Electrical Wing of Public Works Department. The procedure for invitation of tender are explained in Chapter Dash of Kerala Financial Code 1. Answer D. 6th.